Upgraded model. Easy install, plug and play. Fused battery ring adapter included. Free technical support line 858-337-7950. Call for senior, military and first responder discounts. Fifth wheel and travel trailer, Class B&C RV, new high power value white super magnetic for 2 or more 12 volts batteries. Upgraded model. Note, for best results maintaining batteries, disconnect batteries from RV. Leaf panel in full unobstructed sun between 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Top reviews from the United States. Great product and service. I purchased this panel a couple years ago to keep the batteries topped off in my fifth wheel. It has done a great job of that, and the magnets are strong enough that I leave it attached to my kingpin at all times, even while driving down the freeway. The customer service is also outstanding. I've called with questions and Rich Walked answered them and helped promptly and me out a ton.